lights which will go on and off. And this is my washing machine where we wash clothes. This is my sink where we wash the dishes. This is my dishwasher where we wash and dry dishes. This is my oven where we warm up food. And this is my stove and oven where we stove pancakes and make boiling hot water. And this is my oven to bake and warm up food. And this is my rainbow carpet. And this is my candle. And this is my toaster. And this is my toaster that makes toast. And this is my fridge that we take our food and eat.
So where do you keep your food?
In the fridge.
In the fridge. And what is the toaster for?
For making toast.
Okay, thank you very much, Kai.